Saint Anthony's miracles, the reattached foot. A young man of Padua called Leonard went to Saint Anthony to make his confession. Among his other sins, he confessed that he had once kicked his mother so hard that she had suffered a nasty fall. Anthony muttered under his breath, "The foot that strike father or mother deserved to be cut off." Of course, he did not intend his words to be taken literally. The young man, not understanding the meaning of his words, what he did, returned home, took a hatchet and chopped off his foot. The news soon reached the ears of Anthony. He followed the youth's grieving parents to their house and made his way to the young man's bedroom. He prayed, holding the severed foot close to the leg, made the sign of the cross, and instantly the foot became attached to the leg. The young man jumped up, giving praise to the Lord and thanksgiving to Saint Anthony, who had healed his leg in his truly miraculous way. Confession, the sacrament of reconciliation, is a real luxury that only we Catholic possess. It is a powerful encounter with Christ who wants to forgive our sins. In the Gospels, we learn that during his earthly ministry, Jesus forgave sins. Did this with his personal presence, with his voice and his hands. Naturally, we are not angels, and therefore we cannot meet Christ face to face and ask him to forgive us our sins. However, we can do this physically in the confessional through a priest acting in persona Christi, that is, in the person of Christ. Saint Anthony was a great apostle of confession. After his sermon, hundreds of people wanted to make their confession and change their lives, and so he used to spend hours listening to them.